In the last episode, I painted this wall, and now we're going to watch how I painted the other walls. Well, it's another day, and this is how this wall looks like. Painting trays, the paint, and I still have to do this wall and this one. So I have to take a break from painting, and I went to the farmer's market and I got this juice which has pear, apple, ginger, turmeric, and lime. So I didn't buy their vegetables because I'm kind of worried about what's going on here in the area. Oh, delicious, delicious. And the company is 111. Yeah, 111. So good. So I ended up going to Aldi because I needed to replenish a few things here. And let's see, let's start. I got asparagus, tofu, lemons, cilantro, green peppers, just about time, right? And avocados, they are like ripe and ready to eat. What else I got? What else I got? Oh, my arroz con leche, which I should not be eating this, but you know, I'm having it handy there. And then the roasted red pepper hummus singles, and a big cucumber and my red onions. Oh, and 2 bananas for, you know, my smoothies. And for the dried perishables, I got this gluten-free white bread, which was almost $7. I can't believe it, but I have to eat these. I'm right now very careful about eating, you know, regular breads. Like I got the French country bread. I have 1-2 slices and that messed up my stomach. So back to my gluten-free breads. I know someday I will start making my own breads, but I'm quite lazy lately. So potatoes, chickpeas, kidney beans, black beans, which I'm craving for. Then the poppy, my 2 sodas. And where's the other one? Oh, here's the other one. The same flavor. Then I got quinoa because I don't have it, and I love these. So good. And white rice. And then I got this coconut water. I got the coconut waters from Home Goods last week. I don't like them, so I like this brand. So that's what I got from Aldi, and also the regular water, bottled waters that I have. And yeah, so everything is such a mess, but I painted this wall. I have to do a second coat for tomorrow, and I don't know if maybe tonight I should be painting this other wall. Let's see how motivated I get. But in the meantime, I just put some potatoes because I want to do like a tuna fish potato sort of salad. And definitely I want my living room back. But the good news is that I'm going to be donating some of the magazines that I have over there. And yeah, so it doesn't look that bad. Now I have to wait patiently for the potatoes to be done so I can start assembling my dinner. The golden hour in my tuna salad. So good. Wow. Look at all those painted walls. Look at all those painted walls. That. And yeah, I probably might need a little coat again in here. And wow, look at all the mess. The mess. My goodness. I have to wash these curtains. And yeah, so let's see if I get this done. Paint that wall again. Just retouch some of these. And then clean the floors, throw everything away, and start fixing organizing and making this living room beautiful. And yeah, that's wallpaper. That's another project for my bedroom. And yeah, I'm non-stop, huh? A non-stop. Oh, sitting on the couch thinking about when will I paint the walls again. You know, I painted all the walls last night till 11 o'clock. I know, kind of crazy. My morning and afternoon were busy, so yeah. So, and today I am planning to finish everything, but I still need a food break. So let's go to the kitchen. So here is a berry jam that I made last night because we have to be careful about this type of fruits because of that parasite going on. So yeah, all my favorite stuff I have to cook. And it is so good. I was thinking of putting peanut butter just to add more protein, but you know, I better be careful right now. So I'm having my little toast here. Oh, it's been 30 minutes and second coat over there, and I am over here. I want to say 30 more minutes to go, and that's it. And I started painting the walls at 3 o'clock, so yeah, hopefully this is the last coat, and that's it. Okay, things looking way much better. So this is the donation pile. Yeah, I'm just donating all the magazines. And oh, I forgot about these. All my incense. Probably gonna put it over here. Yeah. Yeah. Not bad. Not bad. Oh. These Fabrice should go downstairs. And I'm gonna put this one over here. You know. So all the flowers are together. And yeah, so this is also gonna go in the basement. That's my commercial pest spray. And yeah, so I am replacing these finally after 6 years, actually 7 years. I'm replacing this coffee table, and I am expecting a coffee table next week, so I might blog about it. So anyways, wow, so things are already painted. I need to hang the curtains, and thanks for watching, and see you next week. Bye.